Microscope and Cells. Multicellular organisms have millions of cells. These cells, though are modified according to their functions, they have some basic similarities. To understand the basic structure of these cells, we will perform this experiment using a compound microscope. We spread the scrapings from the inside of the cheek onto a clean slide. With the dropper, put a drop of methylene blue on a slide. Place a cover slip onto the slide. Observe the cells with the help of a compound microscope using the high-power objective lens. We observe the bluish-purple cells which appear irregular in shape. An internal view of a single cell shows presence of an outer cell membrane, the light-colored cytoplasm, and a prominent nucleus. Let us now observe another type of cell. The cells of the Eschooly leaf, since the leaves are thin and delicate. We can observe them clearly under the microscope. These cells look green in color and show the presence of a prominent cell wall and a nucleus. A green discoid structure seen inside the cell is known as the chloroplast. Summary. We observe the cheek cells having a cell membrane and a prominent nucleus, while the cells of the Eschooly plant show a cell wall, nucleus, and chloroplast.